So now let's see how we can use the loop tools inside of Blender so that you can easily work around with loops. So first of all, to enable out the loop tools, you need to go around into edit, then you need to go to preferences right here. Once you go to preferences, you can go to add-ons, and over here on set, if you were to type in loop, then this is what you see. So I'm going to enable out the loop tools right here. So if I were to enable this, the plugin gets enabled. So let me just close this out right here. So I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard right here. So I'm just going to press Shift A, and over here in mesh, you can go around and select the shape you want. So I'm just going to go around and select out a torus right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So if I were to go and press tab on my keyboard and select this out, so if I were to go around on my selection tool, select this out, you can see that certain area has been selected. And to use the loop tools, you can go around onto the right side, and under edit, you can see loop tools is here. So over here, you can use different options. So here, for example, if you were to click on circle, now what happens is that circle is added in over here. So I can go around and then resize this out. So if I were to go around right here, and if I were to resize this, then you can see that the circle is resized out right there. So if I were to go around, you can see that it created a circle loop for the selected vertices right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. And then over here, you can see that you can go around and use different things like flatten it out as well. So the selected area has been flattened as you can see, and you can increase and decrease the influence over here by using the slider that pops up on the bottom hand side. You can also go around right here, and there's different things like there's lofting, there's relax, and so forth. So if I were to go to relax right here, you can see that this is how it works. You can go around, change around the iteration as well. So you simply get another version right here. You can go around, and then you can go around and go for curve right here. So it curves out a bit. So you can increase and decrease the amount right here, as you can see. So you want to add in some noise or some details onto your model, then you can use the loop option right here. Let me just go around, press tab, and then bring in another shape. So let me just go around and bring in a cube right here. And over here, let me go around and then hit tab right here, right click, and subdivide this. Let me just increase out the number right here, just like this. Let me just press tab right here and select out only the top portion. So let me just go around, select this right here. So if I were to click on circle right here, you can see that that turns into circle now. You can increase and decrease the influence right here. You can make it more circular or more flatter, as you can see right here. You can also go around, select this out right here, and then you can add in some curve right here if you want to. So you can make it more curve or straight, as you can see. You can also go around right here. So let me just go around and select this portion out. And if I were to make it more relaxed, then you can see that this is more relaxed now. So I'm just going to go around, and from the top view, I'm just going to select it. I'm going to relax this, and this is what you have. You can go around, select different iterations, as you can see right here as well. So that is how you can work around with the loop tools inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.